I'm not giving you my license. I'm the sheriff.
Okay.
Okay? I'm not giving you my driver's license.
Wait a minute. Rules are for thee, not for me, huh? Cops seem to really be earning the hate like you guys say sometimes in the comment section. Do government officials really think that the Constitution is too political or too complicated to understand? Isn't the existence for police supposed to be so that there will be no lawlessness? In Romans 13, it basically says don't be lawless. If government officials become lawless and we as a people do nothing about it, then we become lawless. Romans 13 was not intended for a slavish submission to government officials. And here's a question for you Bible buffs. If God himself recruited Moses to defy the king, then he himself understood the importance of standing up to a rogue and lawless government. And look, whether you personally believe in the scriptures of the Bible or not, I think everyone can agree some things are right and wrong. Someone who breaks the law and also has the power and authority to ticket you and take your money for the same thing is a double standard. And although my personal faith is not the reason for this channel nor this video, the reason I point this out is because many in law enforcement claim to be Christians. But if they turn the other cheek to a lawless partner, that'd be offensive to God and a betrayal to the people. In reality, your fathers, mothers, wives, sons, and daughters should in fact question your existence in that field or profession. Check out this video of a sheriff who thinks he doesn't have to obey the same laws that he'll ticket you for.
Good afternoon. I'm Officer Henry with the Wilson Police Department. The reason for the stop today is because I clocked you 37 and a 25.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Can I get your driver's license real quick, Mr. Bryant?
You really want my driver's license?
I just want to look at it.
Huh?
I said I just
I'm
want.
the sheriff. I'm not giving you my license. I'm the sheriff.
Okay.
Okay? I'm not giving you my driver's license.
The Wilson police officer starts to walk away, but asks Sheriff Bryant to stay where he is.
Sit tight for me real quick.
At that point, Bryant gets out of the pickup truck, which police say is an unmarked county-issued vehicle.
Wait a minute, let me get this straight. So, they don't have to follow the laws, plus we pay for their vehicles that they use as personal vehicles and break laws in those vehicles. Wow, say it ain't so, folks. This can't be happening.
Bryant gets out of the pickup truck, which police say is an unmarked county-issued vehicle.
You realize I'm the sheriff of this county?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm the sheriff of this county. All right?
Okay.
You pulled me over. You made your contact. You gonna write me a ticket?
I mean, I wasn't going to. I was just going to make sure you had your
Write me a
driver's
ticket?
license on
I
there.
got my driver's license.
I was just wanting. I was just asking to look at it, and then I was going to send you on about your day.
Okay.
Bryant pulls out his driver's license, but does not hand it to the officer,
There's my driver's license.
as well as a card that proves he's in law enforcement.
And there's my commission card.
You see that there, folks? That there is a get out of jail free card. This means with this here card, I can do whatever I want, folks. I can break the laws. I can take you to jail unlawfully, violate your constitutional right. We'll manipulate the media to hide it. We'll sweep it under the rug and all of that good stuff. Just make sure you back the blue, folks.
Okay.
The Wilson police chief says he is proud of how the officer kept his composure. Sheriff Chris Bryant, on the other hand, has apologized for the actions seen on this video. I apologize for my actions on Friday in Wilson. It was poor judgment on my part to be driving in excess of the speed limit and to not promptly display my driver's license when asked to do so.
If you get a chance, folks, make sure you copy and paste this. And you ever get a ticket for speeding, make sure you let the judge and the people in the audience know exactly what happened here. I apologize for my actions on Friday. It was poor judgment on my part to be driving in excess of speed limit and to not promptly display my driver's license when asked to do so. Thank you, Your Honor, for letting me go. I doubt it works like that for the people, folks.
For whatever little it is worth, I did return to the Wilson Police Department about an hour later and apologized to the officer who had initiated the traffic stop. I have also apologized to the city mayor as well as the police chief. There was no need for me to be curt. This man was simply doing his job.
I'm the sheriff.
Okay.
Okay? I'm not giving you my driver's license.
Alright, folks, let's get serious here. The reason for my channel is not because we dislike cops. We dislike bad cops that make the job hard for good cops. I do believe that there are cops out there trying to make a difference, just trying to do the right thing. But I also believe that it's hard for them to do so if their partner or coworker is doing something they're not supposed to do. If they open their mouth, they're going to be called a snitch. They're going to be outcasted. Folks, we need to really find a way to get rid of bad cops and never let them police again. Freedom is the foundation that this country is built on. It should be the topic at every dinner table every night. The First Amendment should be studied in school and at home. The First Amendment should be placed everywhere in every police training facility throughout the land. Always make sure you record your public officials because it's your word against theirs. And folks, unless you have proof in the courts, they will not believe you. Police officers, law enforcement agents, sheriff's deputies, state troopers, a lot of them get away with violating your rights, folks. A lot of times they say that they do it in the form of a question and you gave them permission. Listen to the Pop Brothers at Law. Just shut up when you're talking to cops. Unless you know what you're doing, unless you know the First Amendment, unless you know your rights and the laws, then let them have it. Make sure you record it. You be the one asking questions. With that being said, thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell to get all my notifications and all my videos. We're doing big things this year. We're meeting people. We're starting a radio show and a podcast channel. We're doing a bunch of stuff, guys. You guys make this channel grow. So without you, there is no me. We're learning together as we go. I never claimed to be smart, nor a professor or a teacher or nothing like that. On the contrary, I'm a student to you guys. With that being said, much love. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.